Introducing the PT-T1327-1 Polartec Phone Repair Toolkit, your one-stop repair toolkit for DIY electronics enthusiasts. Ever wanted to replace a battery, screen, or back cover on your electronic device but got discouraged by the lack of a complete repair toolkit? Fear not, Polartec has you covered with the PT-T13, a comprehensive and affordable toolkit that equips you with everything you need to tackle a wide range of DIY repairs. For less than the price of a single screwdriver, you'll gain access to an arsenal of precision tools that won't compromise on quality.
Let's see what's inside. Disassembly card. Torx T4 screwdriver. Tri-point 0.6 screwdriver. Slotted 1.4 screwdriver. Torx T5 screwdriver. Pentalobe 0.8 screwdriver. Torx T2 screwdriver. Phillips 1.5 screwdriver. Convex Cross 2.5 screwdriver. Tweezers, TZ01. Glue, B7000. Spudger, PT-D118. Brush, SC13. Isopropyl alcohol, ALC15. Plastic prying tool, PT-D85. Wet/dry wipes, HENYOU. SIM card eject tool and suction cup, JM-XP1. Safety razor blade, FYP01.
First up, let's meet the SIM card eject tool and suction cup duo. This dynamic pair works together to effortlessly remove SIM cards, eliminating the frustration of lost SIM pins. The suction cup plays a pivotal role in opening up smartphones and other devices, especially those with strong adhesive seals. When dealing with non-smooth surfaces where the suction cup falls short, the safety razor blade steps in. Its thin and flexible design allows for precise prying to create an opening. Once a gap is established, insert the disassembly card CHF1 to further pry open the device. For smoother sliding, apply a touch of isopropyl alcohol to the disassembly card. This degumming agent removes adhesive residue safely and effectively. The convenient dropper design allows for precise application, preventing accidental damage to sensitive components. The triangle opening pick serves as an alternative to the disassembly card for prying open delicate components. The kit includes 8 precision screwdrivers with magnetic tips for effortless screw removal, specifically designed for mobile phone and tablet repairs. These screwdrivers can also be used for other electronic devices and even eyeglasses. The Spudger PT-D118 is a versatile tool that can be used to pry open connectors, cameras, and batteries. Made from plastic, it offers a safer alternative to metal pry bars. No repair toolkit is complete without tweezers. These handy tools are essential for handling small and delicate components during repairs. The reinforced tweezers can also be used to pry open antennas and speakers. With the PT-T13 toolkit in your arsenal, you'll be well equipped to tackle a wide range of DIY electronic repairs. It's a valuable investment that will save you money and empower you to take control of your gadget maintenance. Thanks for watching.